It can all start with a sneeze.
Yo, dude, what's up, man?
What's up, man?
That sneeze becomes a handshake.
Yeah, definitely. Have a good one, man.
Relief for an itchy face.
Hey.
A public display of affection. And finally becomes a sneeze yet again. It all could be prevented by washing your hands.
The Center for Disease Control and Prevention strongly recommends washing or disinfecting your hands regularly.
It only takes a few seconds and can stop the germs before they spread.
Scientists estimate that people are not washing their hands often or well enough and may transmit up to 80% of all infections by their hands. For more information, please visit www.cdc.gov.